Okay, welcome in Bampagong. I'm very pleased to get this video for the best NPD we have done in Bampagong last year. This is Delilah, polyisoprene condom, where we have set up a team to work really together to implement 1 year before the initial timeline this project. And we have achieved it with no safety issue, no quality issue, and no out of stock. I want to congratulate all the team, and you will see all the team who have participated to that project in the rest of the video, and I want to congratulate everyone for this success. Thank you.
Very important for PI implementation was a good communication between all departments. And I have to say that PI is the great example of good cooperation between R&D, SSG, and factory teams. In parallel to PI implementation, we faced TruckWise implementation process, and I was expecting this to be a bottleneck for quick portfolio development. However, TruckWise became to be a tool, the best tool to manage risk assessment and improve communication between global regulatory team and local reg, and marketing, R&D, SSG, customer service, and MPI.
PI projects has been one of the most difficult and challenging projects last year in Bampagong. Why? This is because we have implemented and developed a new process and new technology to produce a synthetic condom, which is something we have never done before in Bampagong. So this has been a great success and team work from the development process up to the implementation. And we are expanding the capacity in the next months for the next 2 and 3 years.
One of the biggest highlights I could point out came very early on in the project. We had done initial work on the R&D dipping line and found that significant improvements were necessary. So between using some specialized dipping equipment developed between R&D, HME, and Ingetech, we developed fabricated a new dipping line that, in conjunction with supply engineering, designed, developed, fabricated, and we're able to successfully validate that line. And that is the design that's in production currently.
Since the PI transfer from R&D, we learn and develop for the process throughout the validation. The compounding, the dipping process, the finishing process, and the ET process had been developed throughout the validation. We learned more, and then we got the process for the production. We transfer the process throughout the SOP for the production. We know that the key parameter for the PI is the heat, the temperature, and also the compounding mixing process.
Currently, we are producing polyisoprene condom 2,500 gloss a day to supply to our customers around the world with the right quality, right time, and the right process. Our production process is the important part to make this project achieve. I would like to talk about the highlight of the production processes at the compounding. We use polyisoprene synthetic latex with our special formulation and well controlled in our process. Then our synthetic latex will transfer from the compounding to the dipping process. At dipping process, the synthetic latex will form to be our polyisoprene condom.
Bampagong started to producing Delilah project in Q3 2013. Since then, we have shifted to all over 3 regions, which is INA, LAPAC, and Rumia. Which is 20 markets and more than 40 SKUs. Today, we have had only under 100 cases out of stock, which is given a pack fill rate almost 100%. We have achieved this by manage the changing with the market demand, by being responsive and reactive, and work closely with the market.